Welcome to Assembly News Now. This is multimedia editor Jennifer Pierce, and here's what's happening with product assembly on December 3rd. Thousands attend the 12th annual Assembly Show. An award-winning system assembles faucet valves. Cutting-edge AI technology guides robots. And for our top story, new technologies for robotic screwdriving. And finally, Shunk finds a way to change fingers, not grippers. These Assembly News Now stories after a brief message from our 2024 sponsor ProMess, an industry leader for complete turnkey monitoring and motion systems. Thousands of manufacturing professionals from across the country and around the world attended the 12th annual Assembly Show in October at the Donald E. Stevens Convention Center in Rosemont, Illinois. Nearly 200 exhibitors displayed the latest products for manual and automated assembly, including fastening tools, adhesives, robotics, and software. An extensive conference program covered topics such as cobots, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, ergonomics, and assembly system design. A highlight of the show was the New Product of the Year contest. We nominated 20 products in 5 categories. Attendees picked the winners. The winner in the Assembly Machines category was a system designed by Edgewater Automation to assemble a faucet valve cartridge. Vision-guided robots pick and place parts, dispense silicone and grease, and transfer assemblies in and out of a leak test station. Another robot unloads finished assemblies. A linear motor conveyor transfers assemblies from station to station. Edgewater designed special tooling to handle tiny silicone discs safely. A lot of cutting-edge technology was on display at the Assembly Show. A good example was Mirai 2, the latest generation of Micropsy's AI-based vision software for robotic automation. Mirai enables robots to dynamically adapt to variance in position, shape, lighting, color, and background in real time. There's no need for CAD data, controlled lighting, or predefined visual features. With Mirai, a robot can, for instance, retrieve randomly placed shiny parts or pick up loose wire and plug it into a socket. And now for today's top story. In most assemblies that are joined with threaded fasteners, the cost of the fasteners is not as important as the cost of installing them. That's why more and more assemblers are looking to automate the screwdriving process. Here to tell us more is Chief Editor John Spirovieri. John?
The benefits of automated screwdriving include better quality, higher throughput, and improved ergonomics. Visitors to the Assembly Show saw a range of options for automated screwdriving, including Cartesian, Scara, and 6-axis robots. Genome's desktop Cartesian robot is ideal for installing screws in small assemblies. The robot includes an electric screwdriver and screw presenter. The robot can install screw sizes from M1 to M6 and handle torque ranging from 0.02 to 4.5 Newton meters. Software lets engineers set various parameters, including torque, depth, and screw pitch. Sensors detect empty feeders, floating screws, dropped screws, and stripped screws. ASG showed a variety of customizable packages for robotic screwdriving. Engineers can specify the robot as well as the driver and screw delivery system. Additional options include turntables, conveyors, signal towers, and safety light curtains. A first-time exhibitor was Danish startup Spin Robotics. The company's SD screwdriving system is designed for collaborative robots. A shield covers the bit and screw when the cobot is moving, which protects workers from rotating and sharp elements. A spring-loaded slide on the back of the tool is a last resort. If a hand comes between the driver and the part, the spring triggers a sensor to stop the cobot immediately and enable the worker to move the arm out of the way. The cobot is programmed in free drive mode. A Teach pen lets engineers pinpoint the exact location of each fastening spot. If different screws are needed for the same assembly, the system can be equipped with a bit changer. The system is compatible with cobots from Fanuc, Universal, and Casau. Back to you, Jennifer.
Thanks, John. And finally, here's a small but clever innovation we saw at the show. Traditionally, if a robot had to pick up parts with different shapes or sizes, you would have to swap out the entire gripper. In many cases, though, you don't need to change the whole gripper, you just need a different set of fingers. Now, Shunk has introduced a new quick change technology that enables a robot to automatically change gripper fingers in less than 3 seconds. The fingers are stored in a rack. When the robot needs a different set of fingers, it deposits the old ones in the rack and picks up a new set. Smart. That's all for this edition of Assembly News Now. For all the latest news on assembly technology, visit assemblymag.com and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and tune in next month for another installment of Assembly News Now.